Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2017 Ford F-150. Under the hood we have a 3.5-liter V6 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in black, looks great. You got that Ford badging up front there with your lights right there. Got some tow hooks underneath as well. And coming around the side here we do have our Goodyear Wrangler brand tires. They look fantastic. You got the 17-inch rims on them as well. Got your mirrors right there and your running boards along the bottom. Coming all the way around to the back, we do have that 4x4 badging, the Ford F-150 as well as the Ford badging there. You can open this guy up. Lots of room back here. Looks great. Does have the the same color as the rest of the vehicle. Looks fantastic. Lots and lots of room. Okay, let's take a look at the keys here. 2 presses to unlock. We got our lock there, and we do have our panic button. Plus we can press the button and the key comes out. But let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. So on the door here you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks. Handle here, some storage and more down here. Looks great in here. The cloth seats are very nice. The two-tone looks great. You do have the controls over the lights right over here. So the auto, off, daytime running lights, and low beams, as well as this one is the light for the back. And then you have your in-cabin light control there. And then up here we have the controls over the turning signals, our high beams, and windshield wipers. Let's start her up here. Key in the ignition. And we're good to go. Now right in the center here we do have our speedometer and odometer, as well as fuel gauge and engine temperature. We also have our oil life and our transmission temperature up there. Now in the center it does tell us how many kilometers we have, 26,000, that's not very many at all. You can also switch that around a bit to our engine information, the My Key status, distance to empty, transmission temperature, tire pressure, and back to your digital speedometer, as well as you have your trip, your towing, off-road, and your settings all in there. Now that is controlled from right here with your cruise control options right there, horn in the center, then you got your volume up and down with your skip and your mode, and your Bluetooth options right there. We have our gear shift right over here, and then right in the center we do have our display. Looks great, so you have your traction control as well as your stop start and your hazard lights up there. CD, you have your different sound right there, as well as you do have your radio, you have your AM, FM, and all those guys there. As well, you do have your mute right there, media, your clock, phone options, menu, and then your dials right over there. You got these guys here for the buttons down here. And then you have your volume up and down with the power, your skip and your selector there, as well as your tuner over here. And then right over here we do have the control over the 2-wheel, 4-wheel high and 4-wheel low. And then down here we got our CD player. We have our climate control, so the power up and down. We have the power. We have where it's going to blow out of with our defrosts, AC, circulation, and the temperature control. And then down here you do have your plug-in, cup holders there, more cup holders right here. You can also fold this guy up, and you do have a seat underneath there, so it seats 6 people all together. And then over here we have our locking glove box. Looks great, lots of room. Then you got some lights up top there. Let's take a look in the back, open this guy up. On the door here you got your handle, control over your windows, some storage down here. Looks great back here as well. Very nice and spacious. You got the 3 seats as well as the 2-tone seats. You can lift this guy up and you do have some extra storage just underneath there as well as a plug-in. And there's our 3.5-liter V6 engine. Well, that does it for my walk-around video, the 2017 Ford F-150. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself, take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.